Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the laptop's microphone is not working on your Windows. Now in that case, that could be very annoying. So for that, let's go quick into the process. So first is you need to make sure that your audio from here on the taskbar is not muted. Now click on that. Make sure it is not muted because sometimes we forgot that we mute the volume. So simply unmute this from here if this is muted in your Windows. Now once done, you just have to simply click on the start button and then go to settings. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find this one, privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. So just go ahead and click on that. And then you have to simply scroll down. And you will find microphone. Click on that under app permissions. Now make sure that microphone access is enabled or turned on. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this is on. So make sure this is on. Also for let apps access your microphone, make sure this is on too. Especially for those applications that really needs to access your microphone like WhatsApp, Messenger, Zoom, Google Meet, or any other applications that needs to access your microphone, you can simply enable that from here. You just need to simply turn the button on. Once done, close out of here. And then you need to go ahead in the start button, make a right click, and then you have to select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, we need to locate the sound, video, and game controllers. And here you'll find your audio driver. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, which is a good thing. Close this window. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type sound settings. Click on sound settings under the best match. Now here you need to choose the right output for your Windows. You can simply choose that from here, and also for the right input. Now scroll down and you will find more sound settings. Click on that. Now make sure that your Realtek audio or your audio device is set as the default device. Now how can you do that? Simply click on your audio device and you have to click on this set default. Now in my case, this is already set as the default device, but in your case, you just have to simply click on that and then set as the default device and then double click on it and then click on levels. Make sure this is not muted. You can simply move the slider up to the maximum. Click on apply, click on OK, and then click on OK again, and then close this window, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue and how I can fix if the laptop's microphone is not working on your Windows, then please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.